I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your American Express account balance is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the FR.com link in the description to open the password strength check, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Dashboard section. This is usually on the main page after logging in. Step 3. Locate your balance. In the Account Summary, your current balance should be displayed prominently. Look for a section labeled Balance or Available Credit. Step 4. Check Transaction History. If you want to see how it arrived at your current balance, click on Transaction History. This will show you recent charges and payments. Step 5. Use customer service for help. If you can't access your account online, call the customer service number on the back of your card. They can provide your balance over the phone. Remember, if you are using the app, the layout might differ slightly, but the balance should still be easy to find. Happy checking!